Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of my e-commerce backend app. So I already kind of have everything set up. Here's my schema. Also got my .env. So I'm just going to kind of go through some of the steps as if you were cloning the repository and were working on it yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is do an npm install on to my directory, and then it's going to say, yep, audited, one package, yada, yada, yada. And then what else am I going to do? Then I'm going to go ahead and do MySQL -u roots -p, and then I'm going to type in my password. And then there you go. So it's already installed. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to then type source db / schema .sql. Spell that right. Failed to open error. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So I ended up resolving the issue that I was having with that error too. What I had was a whole nother folder that I wasn't accounting for, so I ended up just deleting it. So I just deleted the develop folder that was here earlier, and it worked perfectly fine. So we got query, okay, 0 affected, and then we got 1 row affected. So there we have it. And then to seed database, npm run seed. And so I'm going to let it do what it does. I already have a .env, so we'll specify like my MySQL user and password, your username and password, and then to initiate the app, I'm going to just type in node server. We're on Insomnia. I can see my commerce backend where it's like product name, price, stock, category. I made these separate ones too, so this one just goes by the ID. And then to post, I think I'll do, instead of running sneaker, we're gonna do a sandal, I guess. We'll see if that. And then we're gonna send that. That's a bad request, huh? I think I fixed or resolved the issues that I was dealing with. Okay. I had to install the seeds on index.js, and that's what I was missing. That's how I was getting some of those bad calls. I send, it clicks OK, shows me my products. I can even add a product. So I already added one called Pink Sandal, but we'll do a green sandal. I even created the sandal category because it wasn't initially there. So we're going to hit send. It says bad request, but I mean, if we hit send, it shows up. So the whole thing went through. So here's the green sandal. I said even categories. I'm going to change the category ID. I'll change it to pumps, I guess. I guess those are a type of shoe. I think they're heels or something, right? So I'm going to hit send. So it just created that category. Boom. Let's see if there's a 7 for pumps. And then there is. And we can also delete. I typed in 7 for the ID, the category ID. And then when I hit refresh, pumps should be gone. So there we have it. So you can also do the same thing with tags too. We can create a tag. I'm going to just say we'll do rap music, and boom, there we go. Okay. So we resolved it. Sweet. All right. So there's rap music, and then if I hit refresh on the tags, we're going to see rap music at the bottom. So we can create, and then we can alter. We can also delete categories, tags, and products. So that was a very quick run through. Just for brevity, I'm not going to go through every single one of these, but you can see that I can add and I can get rid of categories, products, and tags need be. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick walkthrough. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. See you later.